What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J back again, another video. There's a couple things I want to cover. It's about 3 things, maybe 4, but anyway, nonetheless, been a busy week for me. I've been doing a lot of different things. I've been working on the website, getthatcrypto.com. Also doing a lot of yard work, man. That's the biggest thing, man. It's been raining like crazy over here, so my backyard's a beast. Had to get a new lawnmower, and that thing has got some torque. That's all I'm going to say. Started that bad boy up and almost ran away from me. So it was like holding back a 200-pound Rottweiler. But anyway, here I am. There's a couple things. It's a lot of news out there, man. It's a lot of good stuff happening. A lot of people say that the bull run is started, a minor bull run, but who knows? But obviously you need to get in the game. And if you're not in the game, get in the game. Again, I don't say it every video, but you know the slogan. I'm not a financial advisor. All I do is talk about crypto. If you invest, that's on you. You lose, that's on you. You make money, that's on you. All we're here to do is entertain. That's all most of us guys on the YouTube sphere do is entertain. So let's get that out the way. But anyway, happy Easter to everybody. I hope everybody's having a good day, whatever you're doing. It's all about family. Just be thankful. All right. Again. All right. First things first. All right. Bitcoin heads for mass market adoption as millennials get on board. And who didn't know millennials weren't going to get on board? Right. Bitcoin's fundamentals are gaining momentum, embraced by millennials. Its ecosystem is developing at rapid clip. Bitcoin is in the last stage of the bear market. Thank God. All right, the accumulation phase. According to the report from digital assets funds, Adamant Capital, the current sentiment has recovered from capitalization, and the blockchain shows us that Bitcoin hodlers are committing for the long term again. This is confirmed by our drawn down and volatility analysis, the report states. While lower prices are still possible, Bitcoin's fundamentals are gaining momentum. Embraced by millennials, its ecosystem is developing at a rapid clip, both as decentralized bottoms-up disruptive technology and as uncorrelated, highly liquid financial assets for institutional portfolios around the world. The long-term risk-reward ratio for Bitcoin is currently the most favorable of any liquid investment in the world. Adamant Capital reckons that it will trade in a range of 3,000 to 6,500, after which we foresee the emergence of a new bull market. All right, cool. Now, listen, I'm not going to continue to read everything because I'll bore you or I'll confuse you, but you can read on your own. Basically, what they're saying is millennials are getting on board with Bitcoin, which obviously, every phase of life has their version, Generation X, Generation Y, the millennials, the multiple, I don't know, there's many of them. So everybody has their phase that they basically are passed the torch to, and they run with it. Now, hopefully millennials, which they tend to say millennials don't like to work. They want everything for free. They're free spirits, all this good stuff. But the reality is they're forward thinkers, I think. I think they're very techie, which is a great thing because that's exactly what cryptocurrency is. It's a technology-based, system. So thank God that they're into that, and I hope that they run with this. Okay, so that's good news. All right. Next bit of news: Token Summit is back in New York. All right, that's pretty cool. I haven't been to a token summit yet, or any kind of summit really, because of my time. Time does not allow. Hopefully, one day time will allow me to go visit these different functions. I'd love to get involved. I'll be wearing my Bitcoin J, or I'm gonna get that crypto T-shirt, so people know who I am. Mingle, network and such. But anyway, Token Summit will take place in New York on the 16th of May, hosted by blockchain author and investor William McGayer and One Confirmation founder Nick Tomeno. The events to their Big Apple with a speaker lineup that includes former CFTC Chairman Timothy Massad, U.S. Congressman Darren Soto, and Maker Dio's Steve Becker. And Polychain's Olaf Carlson Wee. That's pretty cool. While public sentiment and cryptocurrency prices are down significantly from last year, the underlying fundamentals are stronger than ever. We're excited to bring together leading entrepreneurs, developers, regulators, experts, and investors from around the world to share their insights and discuss the important technological, economic, governance, and opportunities the blockchain industry is facing, says Maguire, however you say that, Maguire. Tomeno adds, our industry tends to be tribal. Token Summit is about bringing different tribes together in person to discuss the most important issues in the industry. We believe more face-to-face discussion and collaboration is essential for our industry to grow. And I do agree with that as well. That's a pretty cool deal. So if you guys are around New York or you're able to get there, Token Summit, May 16th, go check them out. The Big Apple. That's big news. All right. The other thing I want to talk about, everybody's talking about this. You know, I've been listening to the digital asset investor and the modern investor, and not just them. I've been reading a lot of different articles about different technologies and different tokens that are coming out. Now, I don't really know much about this token, Tezos. I think XTZ is the call sign. I think it is. Hold on. Let's see. Let's look at this. There we go. What is the call symbol? XTZ. That's exactly what the call symbol is. All right, perfect. I've been checking it out, and there's some staking rewards. Cool, awesome. But that kind of brings me to my point. Tezos, pretty cool. This is a smart contracts platform. Now everybody knows the other smart contracts platforms like Ethereum, NIM, Hyperledger, Cardano, which they are all fantastic. But this one's been getting a lot of traction lately, and I don't know what it is. I don't know what the talk it really is about it. I don't know what the secrets that they're. I don't know. Why is it so exciting? I don't know, but it is. Everyone's talking about it, and it's gaining serious traction. All right, right now, I think it's trading at about $1.30, $1.32. Okay, and I'm bouncing back and forth. I am so sorry, but kind of excited about this one. When did it start? It started here. There's no telling when it really started, but I'd have to look into that. But anyway, it's been holding pretty steady. Okay. If we'd got into it around December of 18, man, you could have got into it very dirt cheap, 39 cents. All right. But now it's back up and it's getting up there. Boom. Right now it's holding steady at $1.32. All right. Let's read a little bit about it. Tezos is a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications. One on-chain governance. The Tezos protocols offer a formal process through which stakeholders can effectively govern the protocol and implement future innovations. All right, that sounds good. Security, which is also a good thing. The Tezos blockchain was designed to facilitate formal verification, which helps secure smart contracts and avoid buggy code. Proof of stake. Ding, 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 ding. My favorite part about this one, okay? Favorite part. Proof of stake. For those of you who are not very familiar with proof of stake versus proof of work. Proof of work is where cryptocurrency began, meaning you'd have to get these big computers, spend a lot of money on electricity and all kind of other different things to actually process and produce a block, which basically is the token. So you have to solve these equations, which take massive amounts of energy. Just everything. It's very costly. All right. That's proof of work. All right. So energy costs, components costs, it's very, very costly, right? Well, proof of work, a lot different. There's still some energy involved, but here's the difference. Proof of stake means you download a wallet, which get started. If you click get started, it'll take you to, software wallets. All right. So you get a wallet, you download it to your computer. You open the wallet, right? Obviously, you need to fund the wallet. So you need to go to one of the exchanges. And obviously the exchanges, for those of you who don't know, if you go back to CoinMarketCap, you click on whichever token that you're interested in, you hit markets. All right. The markets tell you what exchange you can buy this particular token on. And as you can see here, which I don't understand, which hopefully they change, you do not see Binance anywhere listed, which I'm a big fan of Binance, and I hope they list Tezos. And I'm going to solicit CZ Binance to do so. But anyway, you go here, one of these exchanges. Hopefully you have an account. I've got an account with quite a few because they're not always available on one exchange, typically tokens you're interested in. But anyway, you go there, you register, you buy whatever the pairs are, whether it's Ethereum or Bitcoin, and then you use that to buy the token you're actually interested in, which would be Tezos. So anyway, you got your Tezos, right? You send your Tezos from the exchange to your wallet, which you just downloaded, right? Then what do? Then you stake it, meaning you just leave the wallet open and you leave the amount of whatever the currency that you have is, leave it open in the wallet and let it process. It's basically like it's a verification node. So basically what happens is, well, let's just read. Tezos' unique proof of stake consensus algorithm gives every stakeholder the opportunity to participate in validation of transactions on the network and be rewarded by the protocol for doing so. So the more coins and the tokens you have, the more you have open for validation, they reward you for that. So I love proof of stake. I'm staking a couple different coins as we speak. And you saw my little transaction pop up here in the corner a little bit ago. So big fan of that. So that's not foreign to me. If it's foreign to you guys, leave a comment in the comment section. You know, be glad to go over it with you. I'm sure you guys know. And if you don't, listen, it's all about learning. It's not about I know everything and you don't. You may know a lot more than I do. And I'm not saying that you do or don't. But here's the deal. It's about helping each other because this cryptocurrency thing is not going anywhere. It's going to change the future. It'll change the future financially for a lot of people. So don't miss the boat. Don't miss the bus. Whatever you travel in, whether it's bus, plane, boat, whatever. Don't miss it. All right. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. That's really it. That's all I want to go over. Love you guys. And spread the word. Hit that crypto.com. Check out the website. It's pretty cool. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.